Okay, dear students, now you have to observe these figures. See, four figures are here. Already we are familiar with these four figures. Now you have to observe these figures and you have to answer the given questions. Okay. See the first question. Name of figure. In this column, in this first column, you have to write the name of each figures. Okay. So first this figure. What is the name of this figure? How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. A three-sided figure is called? Yes, we studied. It is a triangle. So the name of the figure is triangle. Now see, is there any vertices or any sides? No. Which is that figure which has no vertices and no sides? Yes, it is a circle. Now the third figure, see here by looking itself we can understand that all the sides are not equal. Here it is a four-sided figure and all the sides are not equal. Which is that figure which has both sides and all the sides are not equal. Only opposite sides are equal. It seems that PQ equal to SR and PS is equal to QR. Which is that figure? Yes, it is a rectangle. Now see the last figure. Here also it is a four-sided figure. Four vertices are there and it seems that all the sides are equal. So which is that figure? Yes, it is a square. Okay, so the first column is over. Very good. Now let us move to the second question. Number of vertices. This number. Number of vertices. Now we have to count. We have to see the figure, observe the figure and you have to count how many vertices are there and you have to write in respective columns. Okay, see the first column and see the first figure. Count the number of vertices. 1, 2, 3. So how many vertices are there? 3. Next, count the number of vertices. Is there any vertices? No vertices are there. No vertices are there. Next figure. It is a rectangle. Count the vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 4. Without counting also we can say because the name is here. Rectangle. Rectangle has 4 vertices. Now square. Square has how many vertices? 4 vertices. Even then let us count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the case of square also there are 4 vertices. Now let us move to the third question. Names of vertices. Okay. Now we have written there are how many vertices are there? We have written the number of vertices. Now the question is right to specify the names of the vertices. So let us come to the triangle first. Which are the vertices? A, B and C. So A, comma, B, comma, C. 3 vertices. Now let us come to the circle. Is there any vertices? No. So we cannot write the name of the vertices. Now in the case of rectangle, the name of the rectangle is PQRS. So the vertices are P, Q, R and finally S. Now the final figure is square. Here also 4 vertices are there and the names of the vertices are W, X, Y and Z. W, X, Y and Z. Okay, now let us see the next question. Number of sides. We have to write the number of sides. Let us count. In the case of triangle, already you know how many sides are there? 3 sides. That you can write here. Let us count. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 sides. Now in the case of circle, is there any side? No. There is no sides or no vertices for a circle. Next, in the case of rectangle also you know how many sides? 4 sides. In the case of square also 4 sides are there. Even then let us count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here also 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Next question. Name of sides. Now we have written how many sides are there for each figure. Now we have to mention the names of the sides. First let us write the names of the sides of the triangle. Let us start from AB. First side is AB. Second one BC. And the third one is CA. Is there any sides for circle? No. And the third figure is rectangle. So the name of the rectangle is PQRS. And the name of the sides are, first one is PQ, then QR, then RS and SP. And the final and the last figure is square. Now we are going to write the name of the sides of the square. First one it is WX. You can start from any side. WX, then XY, then YZ, and the final side is ZW. Okay, now did you understood? Let us recall all the sides once more. First one, it is a square. Can you give the definition for square? Yes, square is a four-sided figure in which all the sides are equal and four vertices are there. Vertices are corner. And the second figure is, after that, which figure we studied after square? Rectangle. What can you say about rectangle? Rectangle is also a four-sided figure in which opposite sides are equal and it has four vertices or four corners. Okay. Then we studied triangle. In the case of triangle, it has three sides and three vertices. Okay, only that much. And last, circle. Circle has no sides or no vertices. I hope all of you understood.